In this video, I'll show you how to replace the ambient temperature sensor on a 4th generation Kia Sportage. The ambient temperature sensor measures the outside air temperature and sends that information to the vehicle's climate control system and instrument cluster. If the sensor fails, you may notice incorrect temperature readings or 3 blinking dashes instead of the outside temperature display. The ambient temperature sensor on this vehicle is mounted behind the front bumper where it is exposed to outside air. So we will have to remove the front bumper first. Before starting, park the vehicle on a level surface and engage the parking brake. Open the hood and locate 4 push clips and 2 10mm bolts securing the upper edge of the front bumper. Remove the clips using a flathead screwdriver or a clip removal tool. And remove the bolts using a 10mm socket and ratchet. Next, move to one of the front wheel wells. Remove the 4 plastic clips securing the fender liner to the bumper, along with the screw that secures the bumper to the fender. Repeat the same procedure on the other side. Now move underneath the front bumper and using a 10mm socket and ratchet, remove the 4 bolts securing the lower edge of the bumper to the engine room undercover or splash shield. With all clips, bolts and screws removed, carefully pull the sides of the bumper outward to release the retaining tabs from the fenders. Once both sides are free, release the clips underneath the headlights and carefully lift up the bumper from the top and pull it forward. Before removing, disconnect any electrical connectors behind the bumper, then set the bumper aside. With the bumper removed, locate the ambient temperature sensor mounted on top of the front crash beam. The sensor is just clipped in. Using a pair of needle nose pliers, squeeze the retaining tabs on the clip behind the sensor and release it from the mounting bracket. Once the sensor is free from the bracket, press the locking tab on the electrical connector and unplug it from the sensor. This small sensor is responsible for measuring the outside air temperature. Due to its location, dust or debris can clog or damage this sensor or its connector. If cleaning the sensor or its connector does not work, you will have to replace the sensor. Now take your replacement sensor and reconnect the electrical connector. Push it in until it clicks. Then insert the sensor into the mounting bracket until it is fully seated. Now give it a test. Start the engine and check the outside temperature display. If the outside temperature is now displayed correctly and no longer shows the blinking dashes, the repair is complete and it's time to put back the bumper. Reinstall the bumper by aligning it with the vehicle and reconnecting any electrical connectors that were disconnected earlier. Snap the bumper into place under the headlights and along both fenders. Then reinstall all screws, clips and bolts removed during disassembly. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Weezran for more DIY automotive videos.